What's up guys, my name's Casey. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking the Mustang up to Bandimere Speedway. We just recently installed the 2018 intake manifold. We got it ported, hooked up by Auto Mafia Racing. They also did the tune, so we're going to go up there, see what kind of times we can bring down. Hopefully get into that high 12s. Catch you in a minute. Alright guys, we're up here at Bandimere Speedway, ready to make our first pass. Got through tech inspection, got the car all ready, aired down the rear tires. We're ready to go. So far this year, the best I've made is a 13.2, hit that a couple times, and we're hoping to get into that high 12s today. So we'll be back just a minute. See ya. Alright guys, so we finished up at the track. The best I ran was a 13.4. Not really what I was looking for. That's a little bit slower than I've done in the past. So I did data log a bunch of information, emailing that over to Auto Mafia Racing so they can update my tune. And then we'll get back out there and try it again. I was overlooking the logs. Doesn't look like they're advancing the timing as much as they possibly can. I'm pretty new at data logging, so I'm just kind of learning it. But based on my previous tunes, I saw they were advancing the timing a lot more. So I'm hoping Auto Mafia Racing can get back to me, get me a nice tune, get back at the track, and take full advantage of that 2018 ported intake manifold. After we get this dialed in, we're going to switch over to E85, see what we can do then. Hopefully end the season before the winter comes, somewhere in the 12s. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Follow along as we build this Mustang, see what the project will be next. Thanks a lot, guys. Bye.